6c, negative 6c. Also this one, when we put in a 0, this one and this one go to 0, so we have 5a minus 6c. So put in the value of a, so which will give us negative 28 equals this one times the other one, which will give us something like so we are putting in the 212 times 5. So divide by 20, which is so which will be 1060 out of 23 minus 6c. So by doing this, you have the value of c as the value of c as 23 when you multiply with 28 times negative 28, 644. So when you take the outside, it is just an addition. So it's minus 1060. So which will give us that one. Then when you divide by 6, so which will give us 820.67. That will be our C. Then after they are getting the value of A, B, and C, you have to substitute in the formula. And what we have got here, just get and substitute in the value of A, B, C. So you get the answers. So that's how you can deal with a question like that. So that's how we can deal with the question in that format. So from there we shall continue with the other questions like that. Now for this case, let us first see how can we deal with a question like this. If they say x squared out of x power 4, then minus 1. So how can we deal with a question like this? And they say express in terms of partial fraction. We say we first see whether this one can be reduced into its simplest form. Like for this case, when I have x power 4 minus 1, this is the same as saying x squared by the whole thing squared, then minus 1 squared. So minus 1 squared. So this is the difference of the squares, which will be x squared plus 1, then again times x squared minus 1. Also, when you check on this one, also it is a difference of two squares. It can be expanded also, which gives us x squared plus 1 times x plus 1 into x minus 1. So this is the thing which we are going to deal with, while writing into partial fraction, which will become x squared into x power 4 minus 1. So this one gives us b equivalent to, we begin with this, which is a x plus b, because it cannot be also factorized out of x squared plus 1, then also plus b, also plus c. Since a and b we have used, we go to c, x plus 1, then plus b out of x minus 1. So for this case, this one will give us x squared is equivalent to, this one becomes ax plus b, ax plus b, then times again x squared minus 1. So we are coming to this one, which becomes plus a c into x squared plus 1 into x minus 1, then plus a d into x squared plus 1 into x minus 1. So it is plus 1. So now we try now to check on which one can we substitute to get. We begin with, I think, a 0 when x equals 0. We see here it will be 0 equals to, that is 0. So which will give us negative b. So also here 0, and here which will give us minus c. Also here it is 0, and also here which will give us a plus a d. So for this case, our d is b plus a c. So that is equation 1. Also, we get others also when x equals 0. I think you can put in the negative 1. So everything here will go to 0. Also this one, when you put here 1, everything here will go to 0. When you put negative 1, this one also go to 0, because this one will be positive 1. We go to 0, so we shall remain with only this, which will give us negative 2, and also this one is 2, so which will give us that the other side is 1 equals, this is negative 2, this one which is negative 4 c. So c is negative a quarter. Also when x equals 1. So 1, this one will go to 0. Also this one will go to 0. So we shall remain with this. So here I have 1 equals 2. That is 2. Also this one is 2, it means it is 4d. D is a quarter. So after getting a quarter, we have now substituting this one, getting the value of b. So for that case, the b will be equal to, that means getting b is saying that b is d minus c, so which will give us a quarter minus a negative a quarter, which gives us 2 out of 4, which is a half. So our d is a half. So after getting the d, so we are remaining with getting a. So we have to get a. This one is b. So we have to get now the a. From a, what you can say, just say, putting in, I think I can put in a 2 when x equals 2. So when you put in a 2 there, you have a 4 equals 2. So which is 2a plus b. 2a plus b, then put here 4 minus 1, which is 3. 3. So we are putting in also here 2, 4. 4 that is 5. 5 times this one, 5 times which is a 5c, so plus 5c. Also this one, that is 4. So here comes the 3, 4 times 3, which is 12, plus 12d. So having finished putting everything, so we can substitute in now the values of b and c. But before we substitute, this one is 4 equals to this time, which is 6a plus 3 and b, then plus 5c plus 12d. So substituting the values of a, b, and c, shall find out that 4 is the same as 6 into the value of a. A is what we are looking for, that is 6a plus 3 into the value of b is a half plus 5 into c. C is negative a quarter. C is negative a quarter plus 12 into the value of d. D we have got it as a quarter. So we continue, this one is 4 equals 6a, and this one becomes plus 3 out of 2, then minus 5 out of 4. So then plus c, when we reduce this one, which is b, a 3. So bringing everything this side, we shall have that 6a is the same as 6a is the same as, when you subtract this one minus this, that is 1. Bring this one, that is minus 3 out of 2. Then also this one, which is plus 5 out of 4. So get the LCM, so it is 6a, the same as, that is 4. 4 minus 6 plus 5. So it becomes 9. So 6a is the same as 9 minus 6, which is 3 out of 4. So here we divide both sides by 4, even here by 4, so it becomes a is equal to 3 out of 16 as the answer for a. So after getting it in terms of a, b, and c, so you have to substitute back here and get the expression of the partial fraction. So if I try to substitute this one in b, it will give us the value of a, which is 3. Since this one, a and b are combined, I have to first take and see the LCM. The a is here and b is here, so the LCM is 16. So for this case, the b is a half. So that means after getting the LCM, we shall see also how do we deal with the b. The b will also change from 16 to b. Now 8 out of 16 into x squared plus 1, then plus the value of c. C is from here, which is negative 1 out of 4, which is negative 1 out of 4 into x plus 1, then plus the value of b, which is 1 out of 4 to x minus 1. So by doing this, we have expressed everything in terms of the equation which we are saying, which is the partial fraction. I think by that we shall have finished our session, and I thank you for attending. Thank you very much.